Okay guys, so we're using the UV putty, using to spread it on. So this stuff has no activator in it. You want to apply it 1 millimeter in thickness or less, so you want to make sure it's nice and thin on. This is not like a short strand or anything that's made for filling dents. It's just for really thin stuff, really thin imperfections. So we're going to apply it on, then we're going to put it with the UV light to cure it. Okay guys, so I'm holding it with the light. You're supposed to put the ultraviolet, and this is just a cheap ultraviolet light from Amazon. 1 to 3 minutes, so that way it hardens. And then he already sanded it. You can see it cured enough, it sanded well. If it's not fully hardened, it'll roll up and you'll basically be able to tell, but if it sands nice to dust like this did, then you're all good to go. No hardener, no mixing for the most part, no working time. You just apply it and then you hold the light over it.